Class 6. Next we have in control panel region and language icon. This one we have done in class 4 also. We use region and language for changing the settings of display of language, numbers, time and day. Follow these steps given below. Click on Start Control Panel. In Control Panel window, click on the Region and Language icon. The Region and Language icon dialog box appear. The date and time format can be changed from the respective drop-down list. In Date and Time Format section, click on Apply, click on OK. Figure 3.16 Region and Language dialog box. Region and Language. You can change the format of your date. You can change your location, keyboard and language. Now students, as you can see in control panel, we have clock and region where we can change date, time and number format. We have appearance and personalization where we can change the desktop, screensaver and how our computer will look, icons and so on. We can change network and internet connections. We can save and secure our computer with the help of system and security in control panel. We can install or uninstall any program. We can also change hardware and sound like mouse attached to computer, printers, speakers on hardware and sound in control panel. In ease of access, we can open on-screen keyboard, visual display. As you can see in hardware and sound, we have mouse, we have buttons, pointers. Through button we can slow or fast. We can switch right hand and left hand option. In pointers, we have different options available. You want to change the shape of your pointer. Then we have pointer options. You can hide your automatic your or slow down. Similarly, in control panel we have clock and region. You can set the date and time. Time, location, language, format. All these options are available in control panel. So we will recall what we have learned in this chapter number 3, class 6, using Windows. Advantages of Windows operating system: searching for files and folder using run option, on-screen keyboard, control panel, display, mouse, regional setting. Now we will do exercise Windows in an operating system that support graphical user interface. Windows is an operating system that support graphical user interface. An on-screen keyboard is a utility program that display a virtual keyboard on the computer screen, allow the user to type using mouse pointer. On-screen keyboard. Mouse icon in the control panel is used for changing the mouse settings such as button configuration, double click, speed. Mouse icon. Region and language icon of control panel is used for changing the settings of display, the language, time and date. The run option from the start button is used for executing or a file application directly. State whether following statements are true or false. You can open Notepad using run option. True. An on-screen keyboard is not an important utility program. False. Personalization setting saves the file from unwanted damage. False. Search option is located in start menu. True. Run option is located on the desktop. False. Part C. Give one word. An option used in a start menu to execute a file or an application directly is called run option. A virtual keyboard, on-screen keyboard. Icon used for setting a screensaver, personalization. Locating the files and folders stored on a computer desk, search option. Changing the date and time, language and region. First one is run option, then on-screen keyboard, personalization, search option, language and region. First one is true, false, false, then true, and last one is false. Windows, on-screen keyboard, mouse, region and language, run option. Next we have answer the following questions. We have to do that on notebook.